How to write a review paper for research. Introduction. Welcome to this guide on how to write a review paper for research. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content. In this video, we'll break down the steps to create a comprehensive and structured review paper. Let's get started. What is a review paper? A review paper is a critical analysis of existing research on a specific topic. It summarizes and evaluates the current state of knowledge in a particular area of research. Step 1. Choose a focused topic. Start by selecting a well-defined and specific topic. A focused topic allows you to dive deep into the subject and avoid being overwhelmed by too much information. Step 2. Conduct a literature search. Once your topic is chosen, begin searching for literature. Use trusted academic databases like Google Scholar, PubMed, or Web of Science. Collect relevant papers that align with your topic. Pro tip: choose recent papers and key studies to get a balanced understanding of the research landscape. Step 3. Organize your sources. Organize the studies you found into categories. This could be based on themes, methodologies, or findings. A well-organized set of sources helps you create a structured review. Common mistake: don't just summarize the studies. Instead, analyze and interpret the information critically. Step 4. Writing the introduction. Begin your paper by introducing your chosen topic. Explain why this topic is important and provide a brief background. State the purpose of your review clearly. Step 5. Writing the main body. The main body should discuss your sources. Group studies based on themes or trends and highlight both strengths and weaknesses. Compare, contrast, and identify gaps in the research. Key points to include: 1. Compare major studies. 2. Discuss contradictions in the literature. 3. Identify limitations in the existing research. Step 6. Writing the conclusion. In the conclusion, summarize your key findings. State the current state of research and suggest areas for future study. Keep this section brief but insightful. Final tip: before submitting, make sure to proofread your paper for clarity, grammar, and structure. Writing a review paper is all about organization and critical thinking. Take your time, structure your paper carefully, and ensure clarity in your writing. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more research tips.